So what I want to show is that there are also a few functions that allow you to check what kind of data a certain variable is. So I have explained that there are functions that work on vectors, but not on data frames. So it's very important when you're going to analyze your data that you know for every variable whether it's a vector or a data frame. If it's a data frame, you cannot use the mean function, it will not work. If it's a vector, you cannot use the colnames function, it will not work. So these two functions here are very important. There's a function called structure, str, and a function called class. And I will show you in R what they do. Sometimes one of your variables is the wrong type. You have a matrix, but you need a data frame, or vice versa. You have a data frame and you need a matrix. For this, there are functions called the as functions. So you have the which functions, you also have the as functions. And the as functions are all as.x, and x can be replaced here by any of these names. So there's an as.numeric function, an as.date function, an as.vector function, an as.matrix function. And that will allow you, for instance, if you have a data frame and you want to convert it into a matrix, you use the as.matrix function on the data frame. And vice versa, you have a matrix and you want to convert it into a data frame, you use the as.data.frame function. So when I do this on empty cars, I get this. This is what structure returns, the function. It will tell me that empty cars is a data frame that contains 32 rows and 11 columns. It will show me all the different columns. So these are the 11 columns. For every column, it will tell me whether it contains numbers or text or booleans, and it will show me a few of the values in that column. So you get a full overview of the structure of a variable. What does class do? Class will just tell me what it is. So empty cars is a data frame.